Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best milling machines that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Milling Machines. We live in a world of automation, yet we still love to make things manually. It's a human thing. Milling machines help to bring out the creative flow in hobbyists and professionals alike. My easy-to-read guide doesn't assume you know anything about choosing the best milling machine. This short introduction may also serve as a good refresher familiar with the tech. Number 5. Mostic CNC 3018 Pro 5.5 watts laser cutter engraver milling machine. Core components assembled, making it much easier to install with clear assembly instructions. It only takes about 20 minutes. Main features: upgrade offline controller, versatile and widely application, easy assembling and using. Number 4. Cena's Upgrade CNC 3018 Pro Garble Control DIY CNC milling machine. The latest control board. In order to meet most customers' needs, we upgrade the CNC milling machine, provide new version control board. Main features: support offline controller, quick assembly version, latest Garble 3-axis control. Number 3. Vivor CNC 3018 CNC Router Kit 3-axis CNC router milling machine. Made of aluminum profiles and black injection molding material for long-term use and high precision. Equipped with T8 screw rods driving units. Main features: high performance, premium quality, ease of use. Number 2. My Sweetie DIY CNC 3018 PRO 3-axis CNC router kit milling machine. Designed for the absolute beginner, this machine is a great tool for starting CNC learning. It comes with the spindle motor. Main features: new control board, simple assembly, offline controller. Number 1. Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO router milling engraving machine. Designed for the absolute beginner. If woodworking is your hobby, you can use it to add like curved words and exquisite patterns. Main features: high performance, soft aluminum materials, premium power adapter. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.